morning, YouTube. It's day 17, I believe. Got to get this workout in. A little push for time, trying to get all this stuff done on Saturday, but got to get it. Consistency is the key. So I think I'm gonna do like 15 minutes of interval training, or HIIT training, and yeah, get it in. Hope you guys enjoying your weekend so far, accomplishing your goals and being safe. And I'll chat with you after this workout. All right, YouTube, got that workout in. Sometimes less is more. And if you'll push for time, I just want to push yourself, do some burpees. Did 20 of those, 10 at the beginning of the workout. Then did some band, some abs, push-ups, and then pull-ups. And then at the end, I did 10 more burpees. So kept my heart rate up to like 120s, 130s. So yeah, that's how you get it done. Hope you guys are doing great, being safe out there. And I'll see you on the next one.